let's build ourselves a sign. First, you're gonna need your sign. This is designed in Fusion 360 and 3D printed in PLA tough to be exact. I have a tutorial on TikTok how to do something like that in Fusion. I will leave the link down in the description. To cover the letters, we're gonna use plexiglass. I already cut, so I will not bore you. But if you put LEDs behind it, let me show you. You're gonna have a... This is the effect. We don't want it, so we're gonna dull the backside. To dull the backside, we're gonna need a sandpaper or a power tool. So this is what you want. A little bit dull. I did the front with 1500 with sandpaper, or you can use like a white plastic as long as it's thin enough to let the light out. So now let's add our LED light. To make this all work, I got a LED light with a remote. Cost me like €4. I just figured out which one is the blue, red, and then green. We're gonna attach plus minus. We will be using a drone battery, which is 800 milliampere, a little bit more powerful. Bam. So I wired it all up, difficult a little bit just because it's so small, but it works. Green here, green here. Let's play a little bit. Blue works, green works, red works. Flash, stop, this, that, the other. White, of course. Great. Make sure that this side is clean when you glue it, or don't have to. Basically, yes, I'm not gonna glue it, you're right, because it fits tight. If you cut it right, it will fit tight. And then our X. So I mean, it works, but it's just a little bit too dull, just because this battery is 3.7 volt, and the controller that it uses, it's 5. I will just solder the old connector, and we're gonna use that one. And there is your sign, your LED sign. Instead of plexiglass, you can always use like a clear plastic. So let's turn off the lights. Let's see how it looks. Yep.